Pangeos Terayacht is a revolutionary concept in luxury yacht design, blending cutting-edge technology with sustainable principles. It features a spacious and innovative interior layout, with panoramic views and high-end amenities throughout. Powered by renewable energy sources such as solar and wind, it prioritizes eco-friendly operation and minimal environmental impact. The Terayacht's advanced hull design ensures stability and efficiency, allowing for smooth sailing even in rough seas. Its versatile configuration offers customizable options for entertainment, relaxation, and recreation on board. Equipped with state-of-the-art navigation and communication systems, it ensures safety and convenience for passengers and crew alike. The Pangeos Terayacht represents the pinnacle of luxury yachting, marrying opulence with sustainability for the discerning traveler. The VRCO XP4 is an innovative electric flying car concept designed to revolutionize personal transportation. It features a sleek and futuristic design with vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) capabilities, enabling it to navigate urban environments with ease. Powered by electric propulsion systems, it offers quiet and eco-friendly operation, reducing noise and emissions. The XP4's advanced avionics and autopilot systems ensure safe and efficient flight for both experienced pilots and novice users. Its compact size allows for convenient parking and storage in urban settings. Equipped with cutting-edge navigation and collision avoidance technology, it prioritizes safety and reliability in air travel. The VRCO XP4 represents the future of urban mobility, offering a seamless transition between ground and air travel for commuters and adventurers alike. The aircar is a revolutionary concept vehicle that combines the functionality of a car with the capabilities of a flying machine. It features vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) technology, allowing it to navigate both roads and airspace. Powered by advanced propulsion systems, it offers efficient and eco-friendly operation, reducing emissions and noise pollution. The aircar's compact design makes it suitable for urban environments, with the ability to park in conventional spaces. Equipped with state-of-the-art avionics and safety features, it ensures a smooth and secure flying experience for passengers. This innovative vehicle represents a significant advancement in personal transportation, offering unparalleled freedom and versatility for travelers. The Hitachi Rail Blues train is a cutting-edge commuter train designed for urban and suburban transportation networks. It features a sleek and modern design, providing a comfortable and efficient travel experience for passengers. Equipped with advanced technology, it offers amenities such as Wi-Fi connectivity and ergonomic seating. The Blues train's spacious interiors and large windows enhance passenger comfort and provide panoramic views of the surroundings. Powered by electric propulsion systems, it prioritizes eco-friendly operation with reduced emissions. Its high-speed capabilities and reliable performance ensure timely and convenient travel for commuters. The Hitachi Rail Blues train represents the future of urban transit, combining style, comfort, and sustainability for city dwellers. The Romotow Prototype is a futuristic caravan concept that reimagines traditional mobile living. It features a sleek, rotating design that extends to create a spacious living area, maximizing interior space. Designed for easy towing and maneuverability, it offers a practical solution for travelers seeking both comfort and convenience. The prototype's modern interior includes high-quality finishes and innovative amenities, providing a luxurious camping experience. Its compact size makes it ideal for urban and remote locations alike, offering flexibility in travel destinations. Equipped with energy-efficient systems and sustainable materials, it promotes eco-friendly living on the road. The Romotow Prototype sets a new standard for mobile accommodation, combining style, functionality, and sustainability for adventurous travelers. The Natilus cargo drone is a large unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, designed for long-range cargo transport over oceanic routes. It features a streamlined design optimized for aerodynamic efficiency and payload capacity. Powered by advanced propulsion systems, it offers extended range and endurance, making it suitable for intercontinental freight transport. The cargo drone is equipped with autonomous navigation and control systems, enabling it to operate with minimal human intervention. Its spacious cargo hold can accommodate large shipments, reducing the need for traditional shipping methods. The Natilus cargo drone represents a disruptive innovation in the logistics industry, offering cost-effective and environmentally friendly alternatives for global cargo transport. The Spacex Heavy Moon Base is an ambitious project aimed at establishing a sustainable human presence on the Moon. It involves using SpaceX's Falcon Heavy rocket to transport equipment and supplies to the lunar surface. The base will serve as a hub for scientific research, resource utilization, and future exploration missions. It will be equipped with habitats, laboratories, and infrastructure necessary for long-term habitation. The Heavy Moon Base is part of SpaceX's broader vision for space colonization and exploration. Its development marks a significant milestone in humanity's efforts to expand beyond Earth. The INFINITI SYPNATIQ is a futuristic concept vehicle that blends luxury with sustainability, featuring a sleek and avant-garde design. Powered by advanced electric propulsion technology, it offers zero-emission driving and efficient performance. The SYPNATIQ's spacious and minimalist interior is designed for comfort and connectivity, with cutting-edge amenities and intuitive controls. Its autonomous driving capabilities provide convenience and safety for passengers. The vehicle's aerodynamic profile enhances efficiency and range, while its innovative features prioritize both style and functionality. The INFINITI SYPNATIQ represents the brand's forward-thinking approach to luxury electric vehicles, setting a new standard for eco-conscious automotive design. The Céleste Zephalto is a luxury airship concept redefining upscale travel with its opulent amenities and elegant design. Featuring spacious cabins adorned with premium materials and furnishings, it offers a luxurious and comfortable experience for passengers. Powered by advanced hybrid propulsion systems, it provides efficient and eco-friendly operation for long-distance journeys. The Zephalto's large windows offer panoramic views of the sky, enhancing the travel experience. Equipped with state-of-the-art navigation and safety features, it ensures a smooth and secure journey for passengers. This airship represents a new era of upscale travel, blending sophistication with sustainability for discerning travelers. The Buick Wildcat Ev is an innovative electric vehicle concept designed to combine performance with sustainability. Featuring a sleek and aerodynamic exterior, it showcases modern design elements and advanced technology. Powered by an electric drivetrain, it offers zero-emission driving without compromising on power or range. The Wildcat EV's spacious interior is equipped with cutting-edge amenities and connectivity features for a comfortable and connected ride. Its high-performance capabilities ensure exhilarating driving experiences while prioritizing environmental responsibility. This concept represents Buick's commitment to electric mobility and its vision for the future of automotive innovation.